Hey, what's up guys?
Yes.
We're back again and today we're going to be talking about cheating in relationships.
Hey.
Yeah guys, alright, so today we're gonna have a very
broad, it's a very broad
Yeah.
topic about cheating.
yeah, so yeah.
I have a few questions.
But
just
before we
in general.
start, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.
And watch the video till the end.
Yeah, know what I mean?
Yes.
Because we're gonna have something, you know what I mean? Do your thing, just like right there, so I gotta have it, subscribe, do your thing. Alright, so yeah, so today we'll talk about cheating in relationships. And
Don't.
obviously don't, but
Don't.
but what level of cheating can you put up with, like, and stay in the relationship?
How many times can your partner cheat? And can we put a value, a numerical value on the amount of bun a man or a woman can put up with? And I personally think it depends on a lot of factors. It depends on how serious the relationship is.
Well, yeah,
Not
obviously.
if my good man who want a little...
Skelling bang.
Not to say that people should put up with cheating. But
No, we're not saying she put up with cheating, but there are a
Not
lot of
what we're saying.
relationships out there that a slip up happens, something happen, and they're still together and them go on strong, and you get
Exactly.
me?
People don't want to talk
They've
about
earned back the
this.
trust, yeah, but I just say it go, but like guys, like, alright, so before we even get into the nitty gritty, like, comment below and tell us
If
how you
you
would
would.
feel about cheating, like, depending
And would
on
you
whatever.
end the relationship?
And would you
just
end the relationship
then
the
on
same
there
time?
on that
You find out and you
one?
just done this, so just
What's your answer to that?
For me, it depends.
My answer to that right now in my current relationship would be no. I don't think I could just end the relationship based on a mistake. That being said,
But what if
it's very...
But what if it's you find out, say, after all this time, for the last 2 years, I have a girl on the side and we have a baby when he...
Oh no, that baby thing
when
is a
you
deal
push,
breaker.
push.
The baby thing is a deal breaker for me. So I
the
probably
baby are the
would
auto
end.
deal
No, but
breaker,
that's
because-
different. You're bringing a child into this.
Yeah, but that's
a
also
deal breaker.
a totally different relationship. It's not like a 1 knock, 2 knock, 3 knock go.
Exactly.
It's like, yo, I'm there with you, I love you, and we share a child
Is
together.
that open relationship with you know? You happy me? From the
No,
side?
no, we're not happy.
No, I'm not. Okay.
But I mean...
As a man, answer the question, because a lot of dudes going to be like, no.
we're gonna same time. No, I mean...
Because of pride.
Yo, yeah, cause of pride, like, you see me, as a man, as a Jamaican man, you know, I want to know, say, the next man out there can look on you and say, like, in my party, brethren, and say, yo, so a girl like that, a girl like that, you them knock it in the hag, yo, they nice in the hag. You see me, like, you really don't want that. But,
This is true.
no, I've never had to deal with it.
You've never
in
had
any
that.
of my serious relationships, or I've never found out. Let's put that
Exactly,
straight.
yeah.
I've never found out. But I mean, I've never had to deal. The one time I sort of dealt with it, it was a girl that I wasn't serious about, and
Okay.
at the time I was really just dating around. It was before you. I was a bit,
Yeah.
single, whatever. So I find out that, like, she still a link her ex and whatever, and I was like,
Did you
yo,
end it then?
actually no, because
Because you never cared, so
I didn't care.
that
One,
don't even
yeah,
count
but
as
two,
a serious
yeah, but
relationship.
two. At the time, I was like, why never just tell me, like? But
Why should I tell you?
Because I guess she was a bit more serious. But I mean, I was fine with it. Like, even after, like, eventually we broke up, and then no, this is how it stayed, people. Listen to this, you know. We did break up, right? Months
Because of the
later.
cheating or
No.
because of other
We
things?
never did like her that much. We just, yeah, it was a girl I was dating and whatever. So yeah, so months down the road, you know, she called me up and we are talking and thing, and she's like, yo, come give me a link. So I say, so she say, yo, she single and thing. So I say, awesome. Link it couple times, you see me, I have some fun, and me I say, yeah, everything good. Only to find out that the girl was in a relationship.
Oh, so she turned you into the bunner man?
So me was the bunner man, me was the Joe the sides.
Okay, Joe Grind LG.
But I mean, my name didn't know people, like, my name know, you see me? But I just
That
said that.
situation, first of all, you weren't that serious about her.
Yeah,
so
but
it
I've
didn't
never,
hurt.
Yeah,
so
but
you,
of my very few serious relationships,
You never
I've
have
been
to
with
turn it
very good
right
people, and me just never find out. So if it did a go on, me no know. Me not swear for nobody, you get me?
You ever had a virgin that happened to like someone in a serious relationship?
Get cheated
Their
on?
girlfriend.
Yeah, man.
And I'm asking, and there's a reason I'm asking you and not me, because we all know.
So you know.
No. We all know that women put up with a whole lot more than men.
Yeah.
So there's a reason I'm pressuring you.
Yeah, but in the case, the one
As a
case
man.
that I can remember of, the one case as a man, like the girl and the man did basically a link for like their relationship was about 6 years.
Okay, so
and
it was
the
a
girl
solid
and the girl and the next is a link for like 3 out of the 6.
What?
The girl who was cheating on him, his girlfriend was in another relationship with another guy for like 3 years out of the 6 years what them did there.
People should find out if they're actually in serious relationships or open relationships. You need to find out what his status is.
But I mean, but like, what about you? Like, you ever experienced cheating?
I did, but I found out after. Like, he broke up with me because of it.
Oh, really?
With somebody else. Yeah, left me.
Oh,
But it's cool. No, it's cool. There's a end story. There's not a story to that.
No. Sad face somewhere up here.
But I've never been in the case where I've been in a relationship and I knew that
find out, the man
But I
cheated.
have a little inkling that I was in one that he was cheating on me. But at that point, I didn't care enough for it to matter. So there's a thing where you don't care enough for it to matter.
Yeah, but that means they never love you. Because a man will love him woman would have never make sure know
No, but
say cheat on her.
I didn't know.
Yeah, but you didn't know, but you had an inkling.
It was after I just started thinking about it, and I'm like,
yeah, but you see that's
Probably
another thing.
was.
Yo, you say if he's a good man, guys, don't ever make your woman find out say you cheat. Joke, man, make
Listen up
people
today.
joke, yeah, man.
don't cheat, but if you're going to cheat and you love your
don't get
partner,
catch.
don't get catch.
Cause yo, as
Message
man,
from Shen and LG.
as man, I like what you say from Shen and LG. Because as man still, you know, man, like sometimes, let us be real, you slip up, you have some urges when not good people.
Many reasons.
Yeah,
that men
and you
cheat.
go out there.
Who
And
knows?
remember, you know, 99.9% of the time, you know, you go out there. And I tell you, when you go out there, you look back and you say, yo, you know, me love that girl. Yeah.
So you didn't need to cheat. You needed to go out to find out how much you love her.
Yeah, for her. It's like,
Hey, about man, you know.
no, it's like you drive a car. You drive the same car for how long, you know? Years you drive the car and say, I love that car, this is my car, you see me? But you want to know how the next car, yeah, and it's shiny, you know, yeah, it's shiny and pretty. And then as you go out there and go drive the car, you find out say the front end no good. You see me? It have horrible gas mileage, the engine has smoke, inside dirty, like it not well kept. You get me? But outside look shiny, but everything else nah work.
So you're okay.
So the 80-20 rule.
Okay.
Yeah, the 80-20 rule.
Oh, I love that reasoning.
Yeah,
oh
man, 80-20. So the 20 where your woman don't have, or your man don't have, you go out the feet only for find out say the other 80% missing.
But I like the 80-20 rule that you had, because then that's something that you need to think about.
Yeah.
You've been cheated on. Do you stay? Do you leave? Do you love the person enough?
Look.
Does that cheating fall into 20%?
Listen, we're a bunch of us was having that. A bunch of us was having that conversation.
And talk about it.
Yeah, we're having a conversation and on a big man level, like, yo, your girl slip up and yo, it a hurt.
As a man.
As a man, your girl slip
woman,
up. Your girl slip up. And not every woman, some woman a go walk. But yeah,
that is true.
But the girl slip up and well, bruh, if you can't say she really sorry, because suppose she slip up and she don't care, she's like, yo, me cheat on you and him did better, me did want planting instead of banana. Exactly, but if it was a case where yo, she cheat on you, she's sorry, you see the difference and you say, yo, it worth it for work on it, then I don't see why not. You get me? And yes, people, and I know this is going to come up.
Cheating is wrong.
Cheating
we know,
is wrong.
but we're talking about it.
If you do, like, yeah. So like, that's what's it like. But have you ever done any cheating?
You're putting me on the spot right now.
Are you ever done any cheating?
Can I ask you the question?
Sure.
Back
Sure.
I have before.
Hey.
I have cheated.
G and grind.
I'm not gonna lie, I have.
No,
I don't know.
Yo,
maybe if I was the type of person where I never did it, I wouldn't be able to be open-minded to the fact that it can happen and people can make mistakes.
But a life, but a whole heap of people. Listen, we live in the real world. We're not
being
angels.
real, exactly.
Yeah,
let's not act as if bun and cheating.
Yeah.
Not.
That means when Easter time coming up on a giveaway. but I give it hard. All when Christmas time girl and a girl them need them things.
This converse for the grown folks.
Yeah man, a straight 18 and older, you young people go to sleep. But no, but I just, that's the thing there.
Yeah.
And before you even ask, yeah, me cheating I pass.
But you did done,
like,
oh no, but you're
I
a
just
girlfriend, but that never answer.
No, yeah.
Oh yeah,
but yeah, me cheat. Me the younger, me need to experience life. My father, I make a grow, sorry. My son, I grow me say me, yo, spread your wings. You see, settle down thing when you're young. For me personally, if you have your one love, that is fine by you guys. I'm happy for y'all. But you have to go out there, you have to experience the world.
Your drunk crow
you have to spread your drunk crow wings. You have to get out there. You see me, and after you get out there now, you find the right girl, the thing them, the little thing them when I walk past it. Nah, you look for and say,
okay, Daddy LG.
That's all going. Maybe catch something like that one time, and you see me, them thing they look like you done experience enough, so you're not curious and thinking about what you haven't done.
So that's your message to the men.
Yeah man, but man if you know that, but as a man you have to know that, like when
women
you're younger,
should
go out
also
there.
live their lives.
No, but
women should live their lives.
But women, ladies don't
make
here.
Society
Look here.
judge you.
Again guys, cheating wrong. Guys, we're not condoning
it. We're just having a grown folk conversation about the fact that it exists. It happens.
Yeah, it just did it. You mess up. Yeah. It mess up. And I know people out there where cheating happen, you're cheating and they're still together. I know a good amount of people where something messed up. And it's on both sides. I know where the girl messed up and I know where the guy messed up. And the people them are still together, living them happy life, enjoying the world during well, whatever the hell is going on, but yeah, enjoying the world right now as a couple. You get what I'm saying? So sometimes it's not the be all and end all, like everybody messes up, you see me? So it's just a life goal.
That is our message to you.
Yeah.
That's the message of the video.
Yeah.
The message is that think hard and long about it.
Yeah, don't make no rash decision.
Much. Exactly. So please guys, ladies and gentlemen, comment down below your views.
Yes.
Be honest with yourself. What would you do in the situation?
And men.
Ladies and gentlemen, be honest.
Women and men.
Don't take no
guys want to know for comment too. And if you don't want to comment, DM us on Instagram. Make we know
your personal opinion.
Yeah, exactly. So make we know what the opinions are in terms of cheating. Like, if you're there with somebody and really love them and they mess up, you go up and leave, or you go say, yo, let's try and work this out to see if we can resolve the issue.
Yeah.
Alright
guys, so that's the ending of the video for today.
Yes. Yo,
remember to subscribe, like and share with a friend, and comment your views.
And guys, we have a holy
give us some ideas.
We got a holy, by the way, tune into the next one. You see next video that I got touch some souls. That's gonna step on some corn. Alright. Anyways, so guys, tuned. Bye. Bye.